these two outfits. One is super simple and the other one is more styled, but I like it less. Hi, my name is Ava and I help people fix their fashion problems. And I'm assuming that your fashion problem is not knowing how to fix a boring outfit. So let me teach you. You can do this with clothes you already own, and you might even realize that the outfit doesn't need any fixing. A basic outfit can be boring and still be a good outfit. Basic just describes the actual clothes. When I call an outfit boring, I mean that there isn't much for your eye to look at. A basic t-shirt is boring, but that doesn't mean that it's ugly. Sometimes a boring outfit is exactly what you need. Before you try to make an outfit more interesting, you need to decide if boringness is even the problem. There are three things I would think about when trying to decide if boring is actually a problem. Does it fit the occasion? Does it match the vibe you're going for? And do you feel good in it? Let me give you an example. A plain t-shirt and jeans is fine when you're grocery shopping, but if you wear that same outfit to a restaurant, you might feel underdressed. And I get that all restaurants have different vibes, but you know what I mean. You could switch out the t-shirt for something more blingy or maybe something with a design, but that still might not be dressy enough for where you're going. That's why boring and underdressed are two different things. Your outfit can be both, but you need to figure out which one is the problem. I find business clothes boring, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. They're just doing what they need to do. So if your outfit is doing what it needs to do, you can leave it alone. Not every outfit needs to be a whole moment. But let's say you do want to make your outfit more interesting. Don't reach for jewelry just yet, but look first at what your outfit is already doing. This is where a lot of styling advice loses me, because they always say you need to add something. If your outfit is boring, add a necklace. If it's boring, add a belt. But that's not always true. Sometimes the interesting part is already built into the clothes. Look at this outfit. It's simple, but it's enough. The flared jeans give it a nice shape. The open shirt adds another layer, and all the colors go together very well. There's already enough going on. I could add more jewelry if I wanted to, but it's not needed. Even an all black outfit can work by itself. This outfit isn't relying on any color or jewelry. The neckline and the bottom of the shirt both sit at an angle. The fitted top really stands out against the wide pants. And the pointed shoes keep all those lines sharp. Even though it's just one color, the pieces itself make the outfit interesting. So before adding anything to your outfit, look for the part that's holding your attention. And if that's still not enough, then you should look to adding shape. When I say shape, I'm talking about silhouette. Silhouette is the whole outline of your outfit. That's different than fit. Fit is how a piece sits on you and moves. An oversized shirt can fit properly, while a tight shirt can fit poorly. So just because it doesn't exactly match your body doesn't mean that it doesn't fit. Let's look at this outfit. The t-shirt and sweats are both really big, but they're different shapes. So the shirt creates kind of a box shape, while the pants are wider and longer, and they have those stripes to guide your eye down. Nothing is defining her waist. She doesn't look like an hourglass, but the outfit still fits correctly and has a nice silhouette. This next look is oversized in a different way. The long white sleeves and the lace peek out from under the t-shirt, and the black baggy jeans create some nice volume at the bottom of the outfit, while the belt creates a clear break between those layers. The lace is also a different texture from the t-shirt and the jeans, so it makes every layer look different even though it's just black and white. Now, this doesn't mean that every oversized outfit is automatically going to work, but it shows how you can still have a boxy silhouette, but have an outfit that looks intentional. With these outfit examples, adding a layer or rearranging pieces works so much better than adding a little necklace on. But you can get shape right and still not love the outfit, so that's when I would start looking at if these pieces even go together. Clothes don't have to match perfectly, but I usually want something that makes them look like they belong in the same outfit. Sometimes that connection is really easy to see. Take this outfit for example. A jersey and a maxi skirt have very different vibes. But in this outfit, the black stripes from the jersey match with the black in the skirt, and the red from the jersey matches the shoes, and the white socks go with the white logo. A sporty top and a feminine skirt are very different, but they go together because the colors match so well. And other times, the difference is what makes the outfit work together. With this look, cargo pants are very rugged, and ballet flats are feminine, but they work together because they're opposites. The black and white colors are also repeated, which adds some connection to this outfit. If your outfit feels like random pieces and you don't know why, try to name what connects them. If you can't find anything, swap one piece and see if you like it more. Once the main outfit works together, then you can decide whether or not to add accessories. A belt, jacket, or jewelry should be doing something for the outfit. Maybe it accentuates a color or it adds a detail that you want someone to notice, but it shouldn't be there for no reason. In this outfit, this is where my belt went wrong. I thought that it would make the outfit look more styled, but to me, it seemed too fancy compared to the jeans, and it turned the outfit into a totally different vibe. And that doesn't mean that this belt can never work with jeans, but with this outfit and in that moment, it didn't make sense. And that's why none of the common fixes of just adding something is going to be the correct solution. Adding a belt only helps when the belt works with what you're wearing. So don't just add it just because you feel like you need to. Now, if you do decide to add accessories, the number you should add doesn't matter. It really only matters if they go together. In this outfit, she has a lot of accessories on, but they don't feel like random pieces. Gold is the main metal color. Blue shows up a lot, and all the other colors go together well. So when you add something, compare the look with and without it. We've gone over how to tell what you need to change and when you need to change it. If you change the shoes, belt, jewelry, hair all at once, your outfit might be better, but then you won't know what the problem was. And if you don't know what the problem was, you won't know how to fix it later. So first, look in the mirror. Figure out what's bothering you. Is it too plain? Is it too boring? Does it not match the vibe you're going for? Does it not match the occasion you're going to? Do you not feel pretty? Then change one thing and reevaluate. Does it look better with that one change? Do you think you need to change something else? Do you think you need to add something else? And keep going until you love it. The point isn't to make the outfit as interesting as possible. It's just to fix the specific thing that was bothering you. If a boring outfit works for the occasion, gives off the vibe you want, and makes you feel good, then boringness isn't the problem. Leave a comment of what you'd like me to talk about next, and anything you learned from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.